The universe, an expanse of unimaginable scale, stretching out to realms beyond our comprehension. It's a place of mystery and wonder, a place that has captivated humanity for millennia. The questions we ask today: where do we come from? Are we alone? What is the fate of the cosmos? Are as old as human civilization itself, and yet we are now on the verge of uncovering the answers. For centuries, we've looked to the stars, driven by curiosity and the desire to understand the world beyond our planet. From ancient stargazers to modern astronauts, humanity's quest to explore deep space has only accelerated, and with each new discovery, we're inching closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. But how did this journey begin? The race to the stars began in the early 20th century, when for the first time the dream of space travel was no longer confined to science fiction. The launch of the Soviet Union's Sputnik satellite in 1957 marked the dawn of the space age. It sent shockwaves around the globe and prompted a race to explore the unknown. In 1969, the world watched in awe as American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history, becoming the first humans to step foot on the moon. Apollo 11 was more than just a space mission. It was a demonstration of human ingenuity, determination, and the quest to answer the greatest questions in science. Is Earth the only world where life exists? But the moon was just the beginning. The moon was a stepping stone in a much larger journey toward the outer reaches of our solar system, to the planets, the moons, and beyond. The question was no longer, what's out there? It became, how far can we go? In the late 1970s, NASA launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Two spacecraft designed to study the outer solar system. Voyager 1, which is currently the farthest human-made object from Earth, continues to send back data from beyond the influence of the Sun. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, entering the unknown, never before seen by any spacecraft. It's now traveling through the space between the stars, sending back data that helps us understand the environment beyond our solar system. And yet, even as Voyager continues its journey, we've sent out many other missions: Curiosity, Perseverance, Juno, Cassini, missions that continue to send invaluable data about our solar system's planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. But one thing has become very clear: exploring deep space is not a simple endeavor. Space exploration requires cutting-edge technology. The spacecraft and instruments that travel across vast distances in space are among the most sophisticated and resilient pieces of technology ever created. The challenges of deep space exploration are immense. From extreme radiation and microgravity to long-duration flights and communication delays, every mission to space is a delicate balancing act between technological innovation and human endurance. The New Horizons probe, which flew past Pluto in 2015, and OSIRIS-REx, which recently returned samples from the asteroid Bennu, are just two examples of the advanced spacecraft making bold strides in deep space exploration. These missions use cutting-edge technology to communicate over billions of miles, collect samples, and gather data that will help us understand not just our solar system, but the formation and evolution of planets and life. While we've made incredible strides within our own solar system, perhaps one of the most exciting developments in space exploration is happening beyond it: the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space observatory ever built. Launched in December 2021, the JWST is designed to look further back in time than ever before. By observing the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang, the JWST will allow scientists to study the early universe, giving us clues about how galaxies, stars and planets formed. It will also help us study exoplanets, worlds outside our solar system, and analyze their atmospheres for potential signs of life. Of course, our exploration of the solar system doesn't stop at the outer planets. Mars has become one of the most exciting destinations for humanity's next big leap. In 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on the surface of Mars, bringing with it the first ever attempt to collect samples for future return to Earth. But Mars isn't the only place we're looking. The rise of private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin is reshaping the landscape of space exploration. With ambitious plans to send humans to Mars, SpaceX's Starship could one day carry us beyond the moon to the Red Planet. The era of commercial space travel has arrived. Just a few decades ago, space travel was the domain of governments. But now, private companies are not just launching rockets, they're building the future of space infrastructure. Reusable rockets, commercial space stations, and even lunar bases are on the horizon. Beyond exploration, the ultimate goal is colonization. The dream of humans living on another planet has moved from the realm of science fiction to a real possibility. Concepts for self-sustaining habitats, solar-powered cities, and life support systems that can withstand the harsh environments of other planets are being developed today. Mars, with its relatively mild gravity and proximity to Earth, seems like the best candidate for a human colony. But we will need new technologies, space farming, three-dimensional printed habitats, and artificial gravity to make life on Mars sustainable. These technologies are already being tested on the International Space Station, which serves as a laboratory for studying the effects of long-term space travel on the human body and the challenges of living off Earth. Looking even further into the future, the dream of interstellar travel begins to take shape. Could humanity one day travel to the stars? Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send tiny probes to the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Interstellar travel remains decades, if not centuries away, but the idea is no longer completely out of reach. With advances in propulsion technology, such as nuclear fusion, antimatter drives, and even light sails, humanity may one day venture beyond our own solar system, exploring the stars. The universe is vast and mysterious, but with each new mission, each new discovery, humanity inches closer to the stars. We've come a long way since the early days of space exploration, but our journey has just begun. The challenges are great, but the rewards are even greater. Understanding the cosmos and our place within it, and perhaps discovering the existence of life beyond our planet. As we look out into the deep, endless expanse of space, we are reminded of our own fragility, but also our boundless potential. We may be small in the grand scheme of the universe, but our curiosity, innovation, and drive to explore know no limits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.